this out. They are driving with a pastor. Me, click.
Only believe I'm here in possession of coke. That wig that you borrowed from Edith really looks funny. I only hope she doesn't get a flack for this.
Boy. How are you laugh about, Pastor? How was your joke?
A humorous thought just crossed my mind, brother.
Pastor, the survival upon my mind.
Indeed, my brother.
A survival upon my mind because I them police and them politician. If I'm going to put the whole in a one line right after so.
Yes, my brother. I pray, my brother. Let us pray, my brother. Let us pray.
Pastor, what we I know man said up on the road?
Pardon me, my brother. Dear Lord, as we come to you today, we invite your divine blessings, your blessings on the reggae boys as they set out to play this game.
Reggae boys? I'm life is at stake, you know. Let's talk about football. Hold on. That's some police, what? Watch your name,
The Lord is with us, my brother. The Lord, I invite the Lord's divine presence.
Good evening, sir. How are you doing?
Yes, my brother, where are you?
We're just doing a little spot check out here, you know, trying to find some fugitives.
Indeed.
That are...
Indeed.
Hold on. Is you Reb? Rebel? How you doing, man?
Yes.
Everything all right? Yeah, man. We just out there do a spot check, you know.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Is who that? Is that church sister?
This is church sister Prezi. I mean precious.
Crazy.
Precious.
Is him? Yes. Step out of the car for me.
Calm down, my brother.
Hold it.
My brother.
Step out
Be
of the car.
calm. Be calm, my brother. The nation needs calm, my brother.
Put down,
The nation needs peace, my brother. The nation needs visas, my brother.
Boss! Bigger Adams and now. Put him in the V. Put him.
So, officer, when, officer? When?
When what? Listen, Rev. It seems like you're a coke transporter, I know. You're where you're from, who?
Hello? Washington, yes, Washington. Madam Secretary of State. Really? Bin Laden? Indeed, I can mediate. I can definitely mediate. I am here to mediate.